Hello friends, my name is Mr. Santosh Amrita Rautore. I am working as a lecturer in Sanjeevani Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Kopargaon, district Ahmednagar. Today we are going to learn about the cell. Cell is defined as structural and functional unit of living organism. The main organelles present in cells are cell membrane, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum with ribosome, lysosome, centrosome, microfilament, Golgi complex and mitochondria. Let us start with the cell membrane. Cell membrane made up of lipid bilayers, and lipid bilayer consists of three types of lipid molecules like phospholipids, cholesterol and glycolipids. Major portion of cell membrane consists of phospholipids, means lipid with phosphate group. Phospholipids are spherical head with tail, and head of phospholipids is polar and hydrophilic, means water loving. Tail of phospholipid is a non-polar fatty acid and hydrophobic, means water hating. Head of phospholipid faces the outer side and tail form the inner portion of the lipid bilayer to create the hydrophobic part at the center of cell membrane. Cholesterol has a OH group, that is the only polar part suspended at the center of lipid bilayer. Glycolipids are present at the surface of bilayer lipid. Head of the glycolipid consists of carbohydrate, which are the polar, and tail compound of fatty acids, which is a non-polar. Function. First function, it unite the cell together. It act as a selective barrier. It excrete the waste product. It keep toxic material outside. It transport few molecule across the membrane. Second organelle, nucleus. The cell nucleus is a membrane bound structure that contains the cell's hereditary information and controls the cell's growth and reproduction. The nucleus is the organelle that houses the chromosome. Chromosome consists of DNA which contain hereditary information and instruction for the cell growth, development and reproduction. Chromosomes are present in the form of string of DNA and histones called chromatin. The nucleus provides a site for genetic transcriptions, that is the segregated from the location of translation in the cytoplasm, allowing the level of gene regulations that are not available to the prokaryotes. The main function of cell nucleus is to control the gene expression and mediate the replication of DNA during the cell cycle. Functions. It controls the hereditary characteristic of an organelle. The organelle is also responsible for the protein synthesis, cell division, growth and differentiation. The nucleus is a site for transcription in which messenger RNA are produced for protein synthesis. Next organelle is endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum is a flattened plates and tubules surrounded to the nucleus. It is a site for biochemical synthesis and intracellular transport of molecules. The endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the nuclear membrane of plasma membrane. There are small rounded bodies lies on the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum called as ribosomes. It is a site for protein synthesis. The endoplasmic reticulum with ribosome is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, while other instead of ribosome is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next organelle is lysosome. Lyso means dissolving, somes means bodies. Lysosomes are tiny vesicles consist of fluid, digestive and hydrolytic enzymes embedded in the homogeneous fluid. This enzyme break down the different molecules. At acidic conditions, these lysosomal enzyme perform best. Lysosomal membrane has an active transport hydrogen pump that transport the H plus ions into the lysosome. It also has transporter that pump out the final products such as fatty acids, amino acids and glucose into the cytosol. The main functions of lysosome is phagocytosis and pinocytosis. Here we have concluded the first part of the cells. Thank you being with me. See you soon in our next presentation. Have a great time.